Meaning of inquisition.
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 Inquisition. The term Inquisition refers to a judicial process originally established by the Catholic Church in the Middle Ages to investigate and suppress heresy. The Inquisition was characterized by its use of torture, imprisonment, and execution of those deemed to be heretics. This practice was eventually adopted by various European governments, leading to widespread persecution of religious minorities. Although the Inquisition officially ended in the 19th century, its legacy continues to influence attitudes towards religious freedom and human rights. Overall, the Inquisition represents a dark period in human history marked by intolerance, violence, and political oppression.